pick up, we can get that feeling like when you walk into a room and it's just like, oh, it's got a bad vibe in here. You can feel that because you have melanin. Your melanin absorbing that and it's telling you stuff. You know it without knowing it. Here's a picture of melanocytes within the inner ear. So because we have melanin on our eardrums and within our inner ear, we can actually we can absorb more of the information, more of the vibration. We can hear more. Like we can hear music. Like that's why we feel like our music is so much better than other cultures and stuff like that. It's like we can literally hear more of the tones and the vibrations of it. Like I know I meet a lot of white people and sometimes they're tone deaf and they don't necessarily they'll be talking crazy and it's like yo but they literally can't hear how they're speaking, the tone of how they're speaking. So another one is like how melanin is like the dude before in the video, he talked about how the eyes is like full of melanin as a fetus. Here is just showing where the melanin is lined up within the eyeball, and it's just like how it's laid on the back of your eyes. So in that sense, we can see more. We can absorb more energy with our eyes, more light. So like you ever notice like in the wintertime, a lot of white people be wearing shades. I didn't notice until I came here and I saw a bunch of white people wearing shades. I'm like, well, why are they always wearing shades? And then like I talked to one of them. He was like, yo, the glare from the sun on the snow be killing me. Like it really be hurting my eyes. And I was like, I love how that's my favorite part of winter. Honestly, is the sun to shine off the snow. But because their eyes can't absorb it, to them it's just all glare. Their eyes literally can't absorb the amount of light that's coming in. So I understand why he's saying that. And one thing, like one of my teacher, Dr. Aleem, he taught me like how they break it down into the 5 different senses. But he says it's only one sense, and that's the sense of touch. Like light touches your eyes to see. Smell, particles touch the inside of your nose in order to smell. Vibrations hit your ear in order to hear. Like the food touches your tongue in order to taste. And like feeling is feeling. So it's like all of these things is just receiving energy, receiving light. So your melanin plays a part in all of that. So your senses, like you really have like heightened senses in comparison to like a European, someone with phenomelanin. This here is just like, it's just